Hey friends, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. So for today's video, I have a daily look box for you. I just popped it open right here. We're going to get into this and see what is in this box. So just opening it, this is what it looks like on the inside. So let's get in and see what is here. Now, Daily Look does give you a preview, which is really nice. And you can select things that you want, or you can also say, you know, you can remove them from the box. Just know that when you see the preview, it doesn't show you the prices. So just an FYI, Daily Look is a little bit more pricey, and to get a box styled for you is $40. If you keep anything in the box, it is that $40 is credited to anything that you would keep. And if you don't keep anything, you do lose that $40. So just keep that in mind. There are also some like forever credits. So if one of you uses my link, I forgot, $25 maybe, I get a credit, and then that stays in there forever that I can use and apply to anything. So it would take my $40 off plus any credits that I also would have. And then you guys, I think, get a free styling fee. So you're going to waive that that $40 by using my link. And let's see, you have 5 days, I believe, to use this. This goes through UPS, though, not through the regular postal service. I have a UPS right here, so I just drop it off. And then what else is there? Okay, so stylist I had was Claire. They do have an offer if you buy, get 50% off one item if you keep 3, 50% off 2 if you keep 5, and the discount applies to the lowest cost items. All right, so also you do have, for an easy checkout now, you do have a scan code that you just scan with your cell phone, and you can check out right there. So that confused me the last time I got the box, so I just wanted to share that with you as well. All right, so let's get in and see what we have. Okay, this first thing is like a performance fleece, like sweatshirt. It looks like a Daily Look brand. Search for Sanity. It's blue, very nice, very soft, and it does have a hood right there. Okay, it is a longer one. This would be a good little like baseball thing for the days when we're coaching and it's chilly outside. So that's nice. All right. And then it looks like a Dreamers by Debut small medium cardigan right here, like a light blue denim-y color shade. And it looks like it is kind of got the big wide arms. What is that called? It just escaped me. But anyway, I forgot. It's a certain style, and I forgot what it's called right now. It's driving me nuts. Anyway, that's cute. We'll try that on. And then some kind of a polka dot something or other here. Let's see what this is. I already don't like this piece right here. That's the back. This is by Liverpool, Los Angeles, in a small, and it's got, that goes in the back, and so it looks see-through. But it is a blouse, I guess, for work. It's got buttons on it. I don't know about this. We'll see how this looks when we try it on. Then there's another blouse by Liverpool in here in a size small in a pink. But this one is like, reminds me of like a camp style shirt. It's just like it's got no sleeves. So it'd be good for the summer if you need that kind of professional look, but then you want to put a blazer or a cardigan or something over it. But I think also you could just wear this with like a pair of shorts and kind of be casual. That's not my kind of casual. My kind of casual is like a t-shirt and jeans. That's a little too fancy for me. I wouldn't wear it with shorts, but I know some people would. But that's their version of casual. It isn't mine. So I don't know that I would actually use that very much, or whatever this next thing is. Hold on. This looks like maybe a dress by Riel and a small, very silky. We'll see how this feels. It feels good, but we'll see how it looks on. It, again, beautiful denim color, very, very silky. And then it comes down and has one big like kind of ruffle on the bottom. So that one's just going to be hard to show you until we put it on. A little pair of shorts. These are cute for me for baseball right here. I think I asked her to just like send me some athletic clothes. So they are quite short though. I'm bending over a lot with the little kids because I got to get them set up on the tee. All right, so this is a like a band, like bandana style up at the top. You're gonna have to wear this with this is sliding off, no bra on this. That's just a little, it's got a little dip in the front for the boobies, and it's just a beautiful white, really long, like kind of like a beachy style dress. Again, this looks to be see-through to me. We'll see. And then the last thing in here looks like a pair of jeans, which are in like this olive color, really strange color, by Democracy. This is their Absolution High Rise Slim Straight Mold and Hold Boost Your Assets pair of jeans. And this is in a size 6. So you have these. I do like Absolution jeans quite a bit. And this is an interesting color. I don't have a color like this. I'd probably like this better in the fall time than right now. I mean, you could pair this with that like pink top, and maybe we'll do that. But that's all I've got in here. And then I did get, obviously, the label that goes on the bag to send it back. However, they did not give me a bag. So I'm going to put it back in the box and put the label in the box since they did not give me a bag. And I'll let them know that they did not. So it's going to come back in the box. So anyway, I'm going to take a few minutes because I'm resting. I've been videoing and filming all day and uploading. My last video just took me about 4.5 hours from beginning to end to film, edit, create the thumbnail. I still haven't linked it and I still haven't tagged it. So add another hour on for that. That's 5 hours. That, my friends, is why I don't, with two YouTube channels, as well as a full-time job, as well as a full-time coaching job right now, and 6 grandbabies and another on the way, I don't have as many time to put as many videos up as I used to. However, I hope that you enjoy the videos as they come out. I do try to get a video at least out every week. Sometimes there's 2, sometimes more. It just depends. And I'm starting on my other channel, like when I have time to just quickly film an eye look, I'm putting it up, or I'm putting little shorts up on both of the channels. So you have Southern Yankee and Southern Yankee Beauty. All right, my friends, I'm going to grab a cup of tea or coffee or something, chill out for a little bit, and then I'll get back to work and get this one, everything tried on for you. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Actually, I think it's 2 days later. So I have on the little Thread and Supply shorts that they sent for like athletic wear. Super cute, super comfortable. Let me back up and show you. I don't know the prices yet. I've got to log on to the app, so I'll put the price on the screen for you. But these are just like little like charcoal gray. They've got a little tie. They've got, you know, kind of a stretchy waistband. They're short, but they're shorts. They're athletic shorts. And they do have pockets as well. Whoop, there we go. Very cute. And then also, she sent this in case it's chilly. Now, tonight I have practice. It's going to be 75 degrees, maybe warmer today. So I won't need anything like this. But sometimes when I start with this, and then as soon as I start moving, I take it off. But this is a very, very, very soft sweatshirt with a hood. No pockets on this one. Just cozy. Really cozy. So if it gets chilly at night, then this is a great thing for me. Or even during like an early morning game. Sometimes we'll get games early in the morning at like 9 a.m. and you start off the day and it's kind of chilly. And then as the game progresses, it really warms up. So these are great options for something like that. This is a little long compared to the shorts though. Oh, the short tag, I can feel it. There we go. It was like right there. So if you saw a square on my butt, it was the tag. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to keep going. We've got 2 dresses, a pair of capris in an olive shade, and 2 tops to try on next. Okay, guys, so I have this little tank, I don't know what it's called. It's like a camp shirt, but it's got collar. And I have the capris on by Wit and Wisdom, which fit really great, by the way. Also, the shirt here comes down in a scoop, a little bit longer. I've got a half tuck. It is a little see-through, not terrible. I like these, but I'm not in love with this color. And then this is very cooling, but it isn't really my style. So these are probably going back, but here it is. And I'll have pictures rolling at the end and everything, but so you can get a little bit of a close-up. All right, I'm gonna try the other blouse on with these same jeans, although I don't think that it matches. I'm still gonna go ahead and try it on. Okay, this little blouse is cuter than I thought it would be. This part is in the back, so it's not, I would have hated that if it was in the front. So anyway, it is a thin, soft, it is blouse, it's not a knit. It definitely is like a polyester blouse type of material, but it is pretty soft, and I do like the contrast between the designs on here, so you can see. And I have it untucked just to give you a visual here. It is borderline too tight, like up in the shoulder area. Like I could pull it off, it's not awful, and I can move completely free in it, but if I go all the way back, I can just feel like across the bust a little tightness. So not the best fit for me. And this is a small. I would probably go up in a medium if you request this item. Again, this is not something I'm going to keep, but I do like it better than I thought I would. I kind of like the contrast between the black and the white in here. So it's a better item than off, and that's why you got to try everything on, because you just never know. All right, let's go and try on the two dresses next. Okay, friends, she recommended wearing this little cardigan with this dress. Dolman is the style of the cardigan I was trying to find. It is quite big. Now, Dolman's run big. I can't remember if she gave me a small in this, but it feels a little bit too big. It's supposed to be big in the arms where it comes down like this and then kind of cinches your waist in. I don't like it with this particular dress at all, although the colors match, not what I would pair with it. But here is that outfit. And then I'll show you just the dress, because the dress is quite beautiful. And I do like the dress. Okay, so let's take this off. This is a no-go for me. And let's see if it had the size on it. It's a small medium. I don't know if it goes smaller, but I would need probably extra small in that. That's fine. All right, but this dress is really pretty, and it's very, very lightweight, very breathable. And I love the color. I think that's quite pretty. Again, I don't know the prices yet. You guys are gonna see them on the screen, but I haven't looked yet. So, and you can see the collar comes up. Where's my little necklace? In the wrong spot. There we go. That's a Ana Luisa, one of my favorite necklaces, by the way, from them. All right. So that's a maybe. All right, now the only thing that I have left to try on would be the white that is like a bandeau top type, which would be good for the beach. Probably not something I would wear often, so I probably won't get that, but let's try it on anyway. Okay, friends, here is the little white dress. This is quite pretty. It's prettier than I thought, and again, why you have to try everything on. The top of this is very nice and fitted, which is what you would need with something like this. I do have my bra on, but I just took the straps off, so it's probably not up as much as you want your boobs to be up, but so not getting a lot of support there. Would need to have a different bra. I just couldn't find it. I looked earlier and I couldn't find it, so you need a strapless with this, but really beautiful little summer dress. I could see me wearing something like this to like my daughter's baby shower or something, or a, you know, for Mother's Day. It's a cute dress, and very cool for the summer, but still super, super cute.